going on a fire truck ride. Oh, you doing? Sorry. Oh, buddy! You hear the siren? You hear it?
Everybody better watch out for us.
44 miles.
Cool, huh?
Hey, we know that run on some line. 44, you may go on service. Into 56 is 8 Mile and Lions. Reported as flyers up north. And the traffic light.
Please put this windows open. They can see us sitting back here.
Yeah.
44.
Hi!
And put her at the alarms on.
Everybody's moving.
Is that cool, buddy? He's still like, wow, what is going
I
on?
know.
Hold on.
He goes way back, doesn't it? That's so they can have room to fit their oxygen tanks and everything.